Okay, real quickly here with your Roku TVs. This particular one is an ONN, but again, it'll work with any Roku TV. If your screen is too big, and basically you see writing and stuff like logos on TV where it's like too far down or the captions are too far down, basically it's zoomed too far in, and you're not getting the overall picture. You could change the setting, whether that would be on Netflix or whatever you're watching, or on cable television. So for example, what I'll do on your Roku remote, you just hit that little star button, which is right here, while you're watching whatever you're watching. And then what you want to do is you can go all the way down to picture settings. And then from there, you're going to go to picture size. So right now we got it at normal. And then what you're going to do is you're going to play around with the settings. You're going to try different ones. So you can do auto, and then back out, and then see if that fixes it. And you might actually have to give it a few seconds for it to catch, and then for it to reset. And again, it'll also work with your television. So let's say I go to, I'm watching cable TV on my Roku, and we'll go here. And you might have, like for example, the screen, like before I started this, the Dr. Phil was way down on the right, and I couldn't even see the whole logo. So what you do, again, you just hit the little star button. You go all the way down to picture settings and picture size. Right now it's auto, but you can play around with it. And especially with cable, you want to, when you do choose a new one, you want to let it sit there for a few seconds, and then a lot of times it'll just set itself after you do it. Alright, thank you for watching.